Imagine this. You wake up one morning, sunlight filters through your window, you stretch, but your arms don't respond. You glance down and your legs are gone too. Not injured, not broken, completely missing. In that moment, your entire life changes. What happens next? Let's explore the reality, biologically, scientifically, and socially. The first thing your body faces is shock. Our circulatory system is designed for 4 limbs. Remove them overnight, and nearly 40% of your blood pathways vanish. Even if the wounds were sealed, your heart and vessels would struggle to rebalance. You'd feel faint, dizzy, unable to even sit upright, because the brain's balance system, the cerebellum, suddenly has no anchors. Yet your nerves would keep firing. You'd still feel phantom sensations, fingers twitching, toes cramping, even though they no longer exist. Then comes the psychological spiral. Human identity is tied to independence and control. Losing every limb at once would trigger panic, trauma, even an identity crisis. Am I still me without my body? Everyday tasks like drinking water, scratching an itch, or even shifting in bed would be impossible without help. The brain would need to rewire itself, a process scientists call neuroplasticity, but that takes time. And here's where science steps in. Modern medicine already uses prosthetics that connect to nerve endings, moving when you think about movement. Robotic exoskeletons can help paralyzed patients walk again. If humanity lost limbs, these technologies would evolve from optional to essential. You'd live through machines, artificial arms, brain-controlled legs, perhaps even full robotic suits. But survival isn't just biology or technology. It's also society. Look around you. Doors, stairs, clothing, jobs, tools, all assume arms and legs. Without them, the world becomes a trap. Relationships would shift too. Some people would rally closer, others might drift away. Your role in work and life would depend entirely on your ability to adapt, not physically, but mentally, through technology. Now, stretch the thought experiment further. What if this happened to everyone at once? Cities would be redesigned. Voice command, AI, and robotics would run daily life. Human contribution would shift from muscles to pure brain power. We'd become a civilization of minds, relying on machines to act.